Hello traders, what if I told you that there is one strategy that you can use every single day at a specific time of the day and profit almost every single day? Would you believe me that there is such mechanical strategy? I'm here to tell you that I have developed such mechanical strategy. It is beginner friendly, it is very easy to use, and please go ahead and follow the steps that I'm gonna show you step by step. My name is Christos, I am the owner of ChrisFX and I have helped hundreds of traders become successful. I'm trading live every single day in my community and I'm showing both my wins and my losses. So let's go ahead now and begin with our strategy. This strategy has been tested on Nasdaq and I'm gonna go through the rules right now. I'm gonna show you an example of each and every day for the past 5 days in order for you to see the success rate of this strategy. Let's go ahead and begin with the rules. I will go ahead and delete all of those lines and we will start from scratch. Now, this strategy is very simple. What you need to do is that you need to be on the 15-minute time frame. Now, at some point, you will see that 9:30, which is the open, actually is gonna arrive. Okay, so 9:30 has arrived. Most of the strategies are gonna tell you to identify some form of range at some point, which is gonna be before 9:30. You are not gonna be doing that here with this strategy. Rather, you are gonna be waiting for yet another 15-minute candlestick to close. So if we suppose that this is the 15-minute candlestick, which is from 9:15, okay, let's suppose that this is our candlestick, which is from 9:15 until 9:30. Supposedly, this is the one, guys, right here, okay, 9:15 to 9:30. What you will do now, you will wait for an additional 15-minute candlestick. So this is one of the candlesticks. Supposedly, of course, there is more price action before it. We don't care. We're going to see it on the live charts. Now, what you will wait for, you will wait for an additional 15-minute candlestick to be printed, okay? So here it's gonna be 9:45, okay? This is gonna be 9:45. So let's suppose that your next candlestick is something like that, okay? Let's suppose that this is your next candlestick and that it closes exactly at 9:45. Now you will go ahead. Supposedly we also have 2 weeks, let's say a week here and a week here. We don't care about that, I'm just saying. Okay, now that the 9:45 15-minute candlestick has closed, now you will identify the highest and the lowest point of this candlestick, including the wicks. If there is no wick, of course, let's assume there is no wick here, you do the body and the wick above. Okay, now what you're gonna be doing. Are you following until here, guys? Hopefully you are following, because the things that I'm showing you here are absolutely golden, okay? And I'm showing those things absolutely for free. You can go to my public channel and to the lives and you will see that I'm trading every single day live and you can see the success that I'm having. Contrary to your favorite fake gurus, you will see that I'm also highlighting the investments. So I have started 2026 and I'm showing my investments and I'm gonna show my withdrawals as well. Most of those traders out there manipulate you by showing you only their withdrawals. But you know what, guys? The investments matter. If I have, let's say as an example, if I have withdrawn $20,000 and if I have deposited $19,000, I came into the winning side for only $1,000. So avoid all those fake gurus out there, even those who are doing live sessions and they are not typing down their deposits. They are to be avoided at all costs. Come to ChrisFX. You can join for only $29 per month. If you don't want to join, don't join. And here you are gonna see this beautiful strategy. We will continue with this strategy. The links, by the way, are down in the description. You can also support me by purchasing any prop firm with code ChrisFX. Let's continue. Now, you will not look at bias at all. You have highlighted the high and the low of this 15-minute candlestick from 9:30 until 9:45, and you will expect to see either the low being broken of this candlestick or the high being broken. Whichever one is being broken first, you are gonna take the trade from the opposite direction. So let's suppose that we had a wick over here. Okay, let's suppose that this is our high, this is our low. You will be waiting. Supposedly the next candlestick does something like that. We don't care. You still wait, no matter the time, for a break of either the high or the low. Let's suppose that the low gets broken. Whichever side is broken, either the high or the low, you will switch to the 1 minute time frame. So now we switch over here to the 1 minute time frame from the 15-minute time frame. And what you want to see is a bullish FVG being created. Okay, a bullish FVG being created. When this bullish FVG gets created, which we're gonna show as well, of course, on the chart, you will go ahead and you will enter instantly. Now your stop loss is gonna be 100 ticks more, so you're gonna add 100 ticks from the lowest point. So let's assume this is the low here. You will 514 ticks, you will do 614 ticks, and what I want you to do, you will go ahead and you will target a 1-to-1 reward to risk, because the winning percentage of this one is astonishing. You cannot imagine. Now, if you break from the high and not the low, so let's assume that you broke the high. So we did that and we broke here. Now you switch again down to the 1 minute time frame and you're waiting for a bearish FVG to be created right here. When the FVG is created, you enter instantly. You don't wait for the retracement. Stop loss 100 ticks above the highest high now. So here it is 476. You will do it 576 and you will target a 1-to-1 reward to risk. The rules are very simple. Let's go ahead and see the five most recent examples in order to show to you that this works, guys. I'm not cherry picking. We're gonna do the 5 past days. Let's start with today. And of course, I will go ahead with the replay tool and I will go to the 9:30 right here. 9:30 has been printed. What did I say? You will wait also for the 9:45. So from 9:30 to 9:45, you print one more candlestick and now you do have it. And now, what did I say? We are highlighting the highest high and the lowest low of this candlestick. So the high and the low actually of this 15-minute candlestick that is from 9:30 to 9:45. Let's see where we break from. I will already go down to the 1 minute because I don't want to miss the trade. Are we gonna break above first or are we gonna break below? We broke below. What do I need to see, guys? As I said, I want to see a bullish FVG. That's all I want to see. It doesn't matter if we see a change of character. So if now I see a bullish candlestick being created, I am entering. I don't want to see any changes of character or retracements back to the FVG. Here we are. We have it. So we go ahead and we enter instantly. Market execution. What about the stop loss, guys? This is the low right here, exactly here. You add 100 ticks. Ticks is the number that you see on the right, 237 ticks, okay, which corresponds to 59.25 points because 1 point has 4 ticks. Okay, so let's go ahead now and add 100 ticks. So we will take that to 337. So here we are, we have entered our trade and we are just waiting for it to play out. We are not moving any stop losses at break even. We are not targeting the other side of the range. As you will see, many people are going to tell you we're going for 1-to-1. Now, for this specific trade today, you will tell me, oh, Chris, you are leaving money on the table. No, guys, I'm looking at the long term. This is what I am doing. And I guarantee that to you that this strategy works with a 1-to-1 as I'm showing it to you right here. Of course, the strategy that I have in the premium, and I have shown it in a bunch of public lives. You can, for example, see this previous week, how much money I made. This strategy is not even comparable. The one that I have developed, it's not even comparable to those strategies on how good it is. You can access it if you join my Discord, or you can learn about it if you do a one-on-one mentoring. It is absolutely fine, whatever you want to do. This is a winning trade, okay? This is a winning trade. Let's do it like that, so that we know that we won this trade. Like that, it's good. Very nice. Let's go back to the 15-minute time frame, and let's go to the previous day, which was Thursday, and let's go again at 9:30. Let's do that, or 9:15 or whatever, we don't care. We will wait for the 9:45. It is a mechanical strategy, guys. Okay, 9:30 has arrived and you say, oh my God, what's happening? And all of that stuff, you are not going to do anything. You wait for 9:45 to close. The 15-minute candlestick, you're on the 15-minute time frame. In other words, from 9:30 to 9:45, every candlestick on the 15-minute time frame represents 15 minutes, of course. Now, we are waiting for the low or the high to be broken. Very same thing. Let's go ahead and see which one is going to get broken first. The low is broken, so I'm going to be looking out for buys. Very good. What do I look for right now? For a bullish FVG. Wow, look at that. We enter here. The stop loss would be exactly right here. 271, let's say. I will do it 371. 371, which might seem huge to you. If you know anything about Nasdaq, you know it is not huge. Of course, I'm not trading with my premium strategy with those stop losses, but whichever the case is, however you are trading, all you need to do is just to win. Whatever you are using as a stop loss, what matters is that you win more than you lose, okay? So this plays and plays and plays. Of course, we need to see the time as well, okay? We need to pay close attention to the time. Let's proceed a little bit. Let's extend this thing towards the right because, yeah, it is now 2 p.m. New York time, EST, in other words, and here we are approaching to the close where we need 1 hour and more at 4:59 p.m. So let's proceed and see what is happening. 4:37, 38, anyways, at 4:41, you have hit your 1-to-1. This is a little bit ridiculous, but it is a real example, as you can see. You just let your trade play out. You place the trade and you leave. That's all. So we hit the 1-to-1 here. I'm doing all of the days, not like your favorite gurus who are cherry picking every single time. So let's go here at 9:30. Wednesday now. I'm doing the whole week, guys. Wednesday, 9:15. 9:30 is here. 9:45. Very, very good. 9:45. Highest point is this one. Lowest point is this one. Go down to the 1-minute time frame. We're expecting to see either a break of the high or of the low. We have a break of the low first. What are we going to be doing? We are going to be buying, guys. Very good. Let's wait for a bullish FVG then to be created. The bullish FVG has been created on the 1 minute. It is here. So we enter instantly when it is created. We have this low, 132 ticks. We add 100 ticks. So this will go to 232 ticks. So let's see. There you go. We target a 1-to-1 reward to risk. And we have gone once again. This is unbelievable, really, guys. Do you see it? Do you see that, really? Tell me if you see it. Yes, 945 here. We broke below, we entered, we win another trade. So we have 3 out of 3. Tell me how much I am manipulating with this free strategy. You guys tell me how much I am manipulating here that I'm showing you every single day of this week. Okay, let's go to 9:30. We will do 2 more days. We have Tuesday and we have Monday as well. Very good. And here we are, 9:30 Tuesday. One more candlestick, please. And here we have 9:45. Highlight the high and the low. And switch down to the 1 minute time frame. Expect either the high or the low to be broken first. Simple as that. The high is broken. I will be waiting for a bearish FEG now. Let's see. Let's see if we have it. We don't have it, and I can stretch it a little bit so that you see that we don't have it yet. We do have it now, guys. We have our bearish FEG being created right here. Take the trade instantly with the stop loss. Here would be your high. It is your high, your highest high, 138 ticks. Add 100, do it 238 ticks. That way you're avoiding the manipulations of the market and go for one-to-one reward to risk. Let's see. And beautiful. One-to-one reward to risk has been hit again. 4 out of 4. Okay, guys, how much am I manipulating this thing when I'm showing you every single day of the week? And imagine what you can achieve with my lovely strategy. I'm getting funded every single day in my group. I'm showing wins and losses. We're going for some massive withdrawals. And the month is only 10th, I think. It is only the 10th of January 2026. Life couldn't have been better in Chris FX group. Don't waste your time. I have done it so cheap that you can all join, guys. You can all join now. It is only $29 per month. Now, if you are somebody who will be supporting me by purchasing prop firms with my code, I will give you access for free, 1000% for free. Just send me an email and tell me I will trust you. I'm a person who believes my viewers, and you will get access absolutely for free. Okay, but if you are not planning to support in any way, I mean, $29, it's nothing. You can join, even learn the strategy, and if you don't want to be part of the group, just leave, even though we have a fantastic group. 9:30, Monday is right here. Let's go to 9:45. 9:45 is here, the 15-minute candlestick from 9:30 to 9:45. We switch down to the 1 minute time frame. We are waiting to see if the high or the low of this range is gonna be broken first. Let's see. Now, the high is first broken, so we will go ahead and look out for shorts, guys. So, we don't have any bearish FEGs here, nor here. Let's see. We proceed. We need to do it realistically. Still we don't have anything. No FEGs, no bearish FEGs. Let's see here. Yeah, we have our bearish FEG being created here. Simple as that. You enter instantly. You're short. Exactly right here. Your highest point is this one. 85 ticks plus 100 every single time. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to mess with ATRs and stuff like that at all. I'm making this strategy a very simplistic strategy even for beginners to use and win. So let's see if we will win on Monday as well. Wow. There you go. 5 out of 5. My lovely guys, 5 out of 5. Now, here, you just place your trades and you leave your screen. All you need to do go for your one-to-one. Don't be greedy. This strategy, you should be going for a one-to-one and no more than that. Okay, the way that I'm showing it, if you want to win almost every single day. So we won 5 out of 5, and I showed you this week. I didn't find a random week in time where trades, let's say, are winning for every single day. I went ahead and showed you this week right here. If I open that, you will see it is indeed the 10th of the month. I live in Greece and now it is 12:41 a.m. So in the morning. Okay, guys, it is in the morning now, but we have a huge difference with EST, as you can see. 7 hours ahead we are right now. So I started recording this strategy right now in order to show you that it works. Now go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because you don't wanna be missing out this fantastic content that I'm giving away for free right here, and it works. Mechanical, as you saw, super mechanical, it works, 100% works, as you have seen, 5 out of the 5 past days, only with a one-to-one reward to risk, even for beginners to start making money. And if you wanna see with your own eyes the best strategy on YouTube, and you can go ahead for that reason and check out the past lives that I have public. I have a ton of lives public, and you will see the precision of my strategy, and then you will go ahead 1000% and you will join, and you will learn forever, and you will see a transparent trader showing both investments and withdrawals, not just his withdrawals. Lovely people, subscribe, share this video with all of your trading friends and family. I wish you all a fantastic 2026. Let's make that a fantastic year with a lot of money for each and every one of you. I wish you that from the bottom of my heart. I love you all, and I will see you with our next video.